Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Candy Crush using Facebook. First, it is crucial to ensure that you have the Facebook application installed on your device and that you are already logged into your personal account. Additionally, verify that your device maintains a strong and stable internet connection, whether through Wi-Fi or cellular data. These initial steps ensure a smooth process as you connect your game. This preparation will help you avoid any unexpected interruptions. Once your preliminary checks are complete, proceed by opening the Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Upon entering the game, navigate to the main menu or locate the settings icon, which commonly appears as a gear or cog symbol. Tap on this icon to reveal a list of options. Within these settings, carefully search for sections that explicitly mention Connect, Social, or Save Progress, as these are key to linking your account. This will guide you to the next crucial step. Now, from the available options in the Settings menu, select the prompt that says Connect with Facebook or Login with Facebook. The game will then automatically redirect you, either to the Facebook application itself or to a secure web browser login page. At this point, Facebook will request your permission for Candy Crush Saga to access specific information, typically your basic profile and friend list. Carefully review these requests and then confidently grant the necessary permissions to proceed. This action secures your game progress. After successfully granting permissions, return to Candy Crush Saga and look for immediate confirmation of your connection. You should see your Facebook profile picture appear within the game interface, perhaps on the map or in the settings. This visual cue confirms that your game progress, including your current level and high scores, is now securely saved to your Facebook account. With this connection, you can also enjoy the benefits of receiving extra lives from your friends and easily competing on leaderboards. It truly enhances your playing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.